could produce damaging winds and flooding. I think after midnight, storm chances and chances for rain taper off. But as of right now, already seeing Cumberland Plateau drying out. There was some heavy rain just about 1 hour ago across portions of Cumberland County. I do want to take your attention, though, across areas southwest of us. Now, the National Weather Service did extend this severe storm warning. This now goes through 7 o'clock this evening. It does include portions of McMinn and Monroe counties, but I do want to stress that it's just barely clipping those counties. So extreme southern sections and the strongest part of this storm should stay south of us. This line of storms has had a history of knocking down trees. We've had numerous reports in portions of Marion County and in Hamilton County of numerous trees down. No reports as of yet in our coverage area. I'll be monitoring that, and hopefully the strongest part of that line stays south of us. And I kind of think it will, because as we pan up, now we're looking at the Morristown radar, showing strong storms in portions of Loudoun, portions of northwest Monroe County. But those don't look severe, and I think they'll stay below severe status. If they do turn severe, I'll let you know about it. But that special weather statement, so just below a severe storm, will go through 6:30 this evening. And with that cluster, we can expect gusty winds, probably at most 50 miles per hour. Still could cause damage and frequent lightning. And if these storms don't get going, it could produce a local flood threat. Now we're looking at Knox County. There's a downpour just north of 640. So downtown Knoxville is looking dry, but there is some rain southwest, and that is moving northeast. A downpour up in Granger and Jefferson counties, just by the Morristown radar. Hamlin County is seeing a little bit of that rain too. That cluster is not severe, but worth watching for some lightning potential and for some gusty winds. Track of these storms northwest, kind of pushing down towards the southeast. So if you live across the Cumberland Plateau, you could be done, maybe some redevelopment, but the atmosphere is definitely not as unstable as what it was just a couple hours ago. So if you live in portions of Monroe County, if you live across the Smokies, Sevier County, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge area, they could be seeing some stronger storms moving in the next hour or so. Here's a Blount County view showing those stronger storms. Not much structure with those storms, so as of right now, not too concerned about those, but again, gusty winds, small hail, lightning, and some heavy rain with those cells. A 1 in 5 risk for severe weather in that green. If you live south of I-40, a slightly better chance for those severe storms. Again, damaging winds, heavy rain, and lightning, the main concerns as the storms pass through. Here is a computer model, a 6 predictor, showing you that the further we go into the evening, the more isolated in nature these storms will be. And by around midnight, late this evening, chances for storms tapering off last across the higher terrain of those Smokies after 2 o'clock in the morning. Then dry and quiet weather settles in, and the clouds slowly clear, some lingering clouds tomorrow. Again, flood risk for the rest of Sunday is low, but not zero. I've got some good news. Once those storms leave, much drier and cooler weather settles in. Monday, Tuesday, comfortable. Wednesday, moisture does increase, but here's tonight, mid-60s, maybe even some upper 50s Monday morning. Monday, a real nice day. Sun is strong, high UV index, but comfortcast is comfy, highs a few degrees below normal. And here's Tuesday morning, maybe some mid to upper 40s across northern sections. A chill in the air for Tuesday morning as some drier weather looks to be settling in. But Wednesday, the moisture does increase, warmer and muggier. Thursday, we're going to have to watch that closely for more storm potential. Beyond that, I think lingering rain Friday. Next weekend, as of right now, it is kind of looking dry, but still some questions. But so kind of recapping for the next probably 3 hours, 4 hours. Keep an eye on the radar, and if those storms strengthen, I will let you know about it.
Absolutely, and keep that umbrella maybe nearby you.
And looking forward to Monday.
Oh, absolutely.